What is noise reduction rating for ear protection? Imagine working in a loud factory or attending a concert where the noise feels overwhelming. You might wonder how much your ear protection is really helping. That's where the noise reduction rating comes into play. The noise reduction rating, or NRR, is a number that tells us how effective ear protection devices like earplugs and earmuffs are at reducing noise. It is measured in decibels, which is the unit used to describe sound levels. The higher the NRR, the better the device is at blocking out noise when used properly. Most NRR values range from 0 to about 30 decibels. For example, if you have earplugs with an NRR of 30, in ideal conditions they could reduce noise exposure by up to 30 decibels. But it's important to remember that real-world use often results in less noise reduction because of factors like improper fit or environmental conditions. The NRR is determined through laboratory tests where people wear the hearing protectors while exposed to different noise levels. These tests measure how much noise is blocked on average, and that becomes the official NRR for the product. Knowing the NRR helps you choose the right hearing protection for your environment. For example, in a noisy factory, you might need a device with a high NRR to prevent hearing damage. In contrast, at a concert, a lower NRR might be enough to protect your ears while still allowing you to enjoy the music. To get a more accurate idea of how much noise your protection will block in real life, safety guidelines recommend adjusting the NRR. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration suggests subtracting 7 decibels from the labeled NRR and then dividing that number by 2. For instance, if your ear protection has an NRR of 25, the adjusted protection level would be about 9 decibels. This adjusted number helps estimate how much noise you are actually exposed to when wearing the device. Choosing the right NRR depends on your specific environment and how much noise you need to block out. Proper fit and consistent use are also essential to maximize protection. Protecting your hearing is crucial because noise-induced hearing loss is preventable. By selecting ear protection with an appropriate NRR and using it correctly, you can significantly reduce the risk of long-term damage to your auditory system. In summary, the noise reduction rating measures how much noise a hearing protector can potentially block in decibels. It's determined through standardized testing and should be adjusted for real-world use. Understanding and applying the NRR helps you pick the right ear protection and safeguard your hearing health. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your hearing or noise exposure. Proper use of hearing protection is a key step in maintaining healthy hearing throughout your life.